Hey guys, we're back doing a little something different now. We're gonna do a unboxing of this LG dishwasher. It is a LDP6810BD. This is a black stainless. It's a smart dishwasher. And it does have that third rack. So first, I'm going to go and get these straps off. One of the packaging is so heavy, there's a nice wood frame around it. Get that out. We've got our styrofoam packaging. Give us a little bit of wiggle room. And I'm not going to lift this straight up. Instead, I'm going to cut the box down this way. Same thing on this side. Now let's peel this open. Pop up all the plastic wrap. It does have a nice amount of insulation on top. It's quiet. It's a 44 decibel model. So it's removable. So we will go ahead and remove that. All the warnings, installation tips. We will be doing an install video here soon. And here we have our new dishwasher. So you can see, fairly energy efficient. Undo that. We're going to open it up. Now isn't this beautiful? You have your rack, you can go and move around front, back, side to side. I see 4 spray arms. You have your first rack, all the install stuff we're going to take out. Also remove all the styrofoam. It has this handy shelf here for anything on your top rack, or I should say middle rack, because this does have a third top rack for any kind of additional utensils, stuff like that, lids. And we're going to go and get this all the way out and going to take you on to our install video next. See you next time. Remember, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.